Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Birendra Yogi, beloved friends. History is replete with the story of ordinary people who had tremendous belief and confidence in themselves, have a definite purpose in life, and that purpose was guided by a burning desire, and the desire was not ordinary hope or some kind of wishes, but it was a consuming obsession of their life, and so they put their best. They took full possession of their mind, controlled and directed towards the specific direction they wanted, and they become the richest, the bravest, the fastest, and they broke all the records of the world. Start from person who discovered America, Columbus, Copernicus, Buddha, Andrew Carnegie, Napoleon Hill. So many great people. The story of rags to riches, Elon Musk, Bezos, anybody. They were just ordinary mortal, but they have a burning desire. Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. You can count such great billionaire. Even Dhirubhai Ambani from India. Even Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy from Hyderabad, Telangana state of India. These all people were dreamers, and they are still very comfortable. So anybody and everybody who wanted to become great, they can follow their footprints and they can reach greatness. So life of such great men is always reminding you that you are not cattle. You are also a human being. You are blessed with the power of your mind. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can really achieve for you. But you have to demand from yourself. You have to demand from your life. And it is you who can achieve everything else. It is not your mother, it is not your father, it is not your coach, it is not the conditions and circumstances you are having. You have to create everything congenial to you. Maybe unfavorable for some time, but if you are ready for that, everything will mold and fold and start giving you all the opportunity you wanted in life. But you have to show your determination, your commitment, your willpower, your faith and your hope. Then only it is going to be realized. Otherwise it can remain just some kind of myth, some kind of a far dream which will never be coming to your life. And I feel very sad that people who have been motivated, who have been inspired, who have been trained, who have been shown the way, still they have lost the way because of their ignorance, indolence, thoughtlessness, uselessness and foolishness. Till now they are suffering, struggling, they have got nothing in life. They live a beggarly life. But had they followed the disciplined way which was taught to them right in the beginning, and the person who takes full possession of the responsibility of that child cannot be poverty-stricken, begging for penny from place to place. Everything could have come had the coach, the commander-in-chief who has taken the full responsibility of that person, be a very disciplined man, stringent action, pushing the child in the right direction. The child could never derail and move in the wrong direction. Things could have been very different. Take the example of Nadal. His uncle forced him to follow the way. Nadal was pained. Take the example of Andre Agassi. Take the example of Steffi Graf. These children, even Chris Evert Lloyd, even Connors. These children do not know what is right and wrong. But the person in charge, the person who is responsible to guide them, to push them and move them, even Martina Navratilova. The children don't know what is right and wrong. The person who wants the child to reach a certain destination and goal, they should be brave enough, courageous and bold enough not to compromise. Do or die, win or perish, victory or death, that should be the attitude. Because everyone is born as a human being with all the limbs similar, all the mind similar. But who is going to make the body very strong and who is going to make the mind toughest one? The mind who never yield. The mind always believes the life's battle don't always go to the stronger, the faster man, but sooner or later the man who wins is the man who thinks the man can do it. That is a very, very important thing. So my beloved friends, very special friends, it is never too late in life. Whatever hard work you have put, that is never going to be waste. It will come back to you, but you have to be ready. It is never too late, but follow the way. Self-reliance, self-confidence, self-belief, that is your real strength. Nobody can help you. Nobody can push you where you want to go. You have to have your own energy, your own enthusiasm, and the world will change for you. Anybody can be very poor, but if they remain poor and miserable, it is the idiotic behavior of that person. Because a man or person with limbs, hands, food, brain and mind, they can really achieve everything possible. But the courage, remember the strongest word what I'm talking to you. But the courage must come from the soul within. The courage must come from the soul within. The man must furnish the will to win. So figure out yourself, my child. You were born with all that the greatest of the great had. 2 hands, 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 eyes, and brain to use. So get out of yourself and say, I can also do it. I can also do it. Because we have the same brain. We have the same determination, commitment, willpower, and passion. I hate mediocrity. I hate being ordinary cattle. In this world, broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not a dumb driven cattle. Be a hero in the strifes. But remember, heights by great men reached and capped were not attained by a sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. Do it, because you are born with all the equipments. You are born with everything what have made other great. Don't compromise. Don't remain ordinary. Hurdles, difficulties, impediments will come. But never compromise with your belief and faith. Fear and doubt, they are the enemies of success. Don't be fearful. Don't be afraid. The doubts can deprive you from reaching the goal. And belief and faith will create a magical moments in your life and create all the congenial circumstances. Because remember, you become what you think about. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thought. With our thought, make the world victory to you. Go get it. Everything is waiting for you. Saturate your mind with such strong thoughts, and the thoughts will become so powerful that will bring you back everything what you want. That's the way the world has been made. Thank you, viewers. You can do it too. You have the power of the brain. You have belief and faith. You have courage and conviction. You have determination. And you are not coward. You are courageous, bold and brave. You are ready to shed every blood, toil, tears and sweat. You are ready to pay the price. Without price, nothing comes. There is no such reality as something for nothing. You have to pay and then get what you want. That's the world has been created. Discovery, inventions, they are all the creation of the brain. Thank you very much, viewers. Best of luck.